All right. These came a day early, not expected. Okay, so these were on sale on Amazon. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, these are the deluxe water bottle survival kits. Now, I will be using one because I want a big bottle to have for water. Oh, hopefully she's back here. Like you can do this. So, yeah. I saw this on a YouTube channel I do watch. This is actually on sale right now. The big swing sale for $20, which comes out to $1 less with shipping and handling. So yeah, I'm gonna open it because I'm gonna use it too. Yeah. This is the deluxe one because it comes with water purification tablets. Okay, comes with the carabiner. Yeah. Okay, so um, first and foremost, as long as these are in a cool place, these will not expire. These are potable aqua tablets. They are. I don't know what they are, but yeah. Huh. Then we have some matches. Okay. Oh, you're shut. I don't believe that. One of these whistles, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna take that out if I can. Glow stick. Um, First aid kit right here. Pretty cool. I want to see what the basic is. Chuckles off. It does have the holes that you can use for water. This has the holes in it you can use it for water. Let's want to see what these are first. Because, yeah. Okay. I should actually show y'all this. But yeah. Pretty cool. First aid stuff. Let's get this stuff out because, I'm probably gonna be putting in some not ibuprofen. Okay, so small bandages, regular bandages, ibuprofen, which I can't take because I take a nasal um, steroid. It's the same stuff you'll find. Antiseptic towelettes, okay, and let's closure. We actually have to do this so you can see it. Closure. I don't know how many you had to get in here. I don't know, but yeah, it's good. Then we get some triple antibiotic, which I'll keep in here because you know, right? Small bandages, some big bandages, and a closure bandage. If you want to, this could be used for water. It seems like it is big enough to where you can actually drink from it. So yeah. Then the rest of the stuff is a food bowl, a rosy blanket, and a poncho. Nothing too crazy, unless it is crazy. Ha 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 ha. But I'm probably gonna use this for water. That's a good thing to use for water too. This is 32 ounces, which Jesus Christ is gonna be huge as well. Okay, let me get this back in here. I'm gonna be using this bottle, by the way, because I need a good water bottle right now. Get in here. Those says the whistle. Oh, I forgot to. Wow. Also got this. Oh yes, sir. It actually does come out one at a time, which is great. Other one is for prepping. Get this out. But yeah, this could be used for water, which I'm going to be using it for as water. This is paper, by the way. First aid only, which I would hope not, because this is first aid. Yeah. Uh, Honestly, you'll probably use this for water anyway. Let's go over here. Oh, this is to if like whatever. Okay, now if I get this, I don't know if I can get this out. So I'm trying to keep it as intact as possible. Might as well show you this. It has like emergency contact thing and all that. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, for a reminder to register, blah blah blah. It's and fun. Pretty cool. The food bowl. There's the emergency blanket. I'm probably gonna get a better quality one. Honestly, I do like a 50 cents or a buck each. Sometimes like 25 cents each. How'd they get this crap in here? Look up. Aha. We got there in the end, brethren. They got this in here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool actually to have stuff like this. You don't know how good this type of stuff is. Just to have with you as just, oh god, I'm gonna hike. You know? Big mouth bottles is great. Okay? Machias. I'm like honestly, I just want some portable, some tablets to keep with me. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna actually add this to a kit. This whole thing to a kit. By the way, I have like a crap ton over there. So if these run out, I got me 10 more over there. It is big mouth, which is great. Here's the contents basically on here. The West over the part of all that. It's for one person for one day. I mean, you're gonna wait till your starvation mode anyway to eat this. So yeah, carabiner. Ooh, I have the balls to put this on my keychain to have. What? It's a keychain. See? Yeah. So yeah. $20 right now on Amazon. This is the big spring sale as of now. Um, let me see. As of Sunday, March 30th, 2025. So yeah, I decided, you know what? Might as well, you know. So yeah, honestly, so you get like one C, two C's, three C's if you count this. And all that you get. Oh, nice! 4 year shelf life. That's nice. Well, over 4 year, like 4 or 5 year shelf life. Which means is that this is actually but for the food bar. By the way, let you know. So it should be on the bottom. The thing. Oh, 10.29. This is a fresher one. Nice. But yeah, it's gonna be apple cinnamon. I've already tried one from Ready America for the hurricane evacuation kit. So yeah, you get a BPA free water bottle, 13 ounces. Okay, so yeah, the purification tablets are 25 up to 20 for up to 25 quarts. These are a 25 thing. Um, a 400 bar calorie food bar, 400 calorie food bar, which is 5 year shelf life. 18 piece first aid kit, whistle, survival blanket, poncho, waterproof matches, 12-hour light stick, carabiner clip, and the bottle. And it says from max manufacturing date. So I assume, I don't know. Oh wait, is this 9 or 10? Oh, they both say 10. That's nice. So yeah, I saw this on a channel that I watch. If I can remember what it is, that'd be great. Actually, I can go to my, oh, I can go, oh, yes I can. Hmm. Clean up ah, okay. Let's see if I can I switch? Oh, shit. No, I can do this. Watch history. Um, Whitetail, let me see. Whitetail Survival, actually, I saw this on his channel. And I said, you know what? That'd be really nice just to have. Lucky I waited until it went on sale to get this. So this was like 20 something dollars when I got it. So yeah, it's a nice little thing just to have. The bottle bottle was really good to have too. Um, and it's a sticker on here. Like I thought this would be like SI. I was like, you know. Plus I figure, if it's post-apocalypse, if I have something like this, I have a poncho, cool. I have purification tablets never really got a date. Really, what I've seen. Have a little first aid kit. It's a basic first aid kit. Is basic what you need. With a little bit of instructions, which would be nice. The poncho is really nice because it's like, hey, um, yeah. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get all this out, wash it, put this stuff in a bag, in a Ziploc bag, and put it back in here. So if I have to eat or drink, I go zoop, get the water, zoop, be like, It's been Post Box Level. Hope we survive in the wasteland, and yeah. God bless.